Hey, in this video, we're going to show you how to build a Instagram dashboard, just like the one you see here on my screen, that'll run your Instagram, give you the reels you need to post, and give you AI insights using Claude Code specifically. And this will help you basically run down your analytics and tell you which reels are working and why. And then it will also recommend content. And you can even create an AI generation dashboard that will allow you to then create different AI dashboards and AI content that'll make sure it is a banger on every single Instagram post you do. This is one I just made for myself today. So it basically just gives me my top content, what's really working, and relocation as far as relocating to a certain new area is my superpower. And here's why: my top two reels, what is working, all the views I have in a specific amount of days. And then if I go over here and look at the AI generation mode, you can call it, that Claude AI has built for me. And it'll give me exactly what to post, my content that's in the queue, everything that I need to do, all using one prompt that I'm going to share with you here. This video is going to be very short, very simple, and very to the point. Now, I do need to preface that you do need to plug in your Instagram to Claude, and how you do that is actually very simple. I use a tool called VidIQ. It's this right here. And what I'll do is I'll toggle over to my Instagram. So it'll basically look at your Instagram, and then it has an MCP server that you could tie in with Claude. I use VidIQ. There'll be a link down below. It's my personal link, so feel free to use it. It'll help support me, help support the channel, help support me getting out more videos. So if you want to support me and you want to plug in your Instagram with Claude in regards to just getting analytics, this is the option for you. Otherwise, you can use Composio, which will allow you to actually interact with Instagram. I use that as well to actually get the posts out, and then allow Claude to do a little bit of messaging back and forth with people that are mainly top of funnel, and I'm trying to get them back into my CRM with a CTA or what have you. So let's jump into Claude, and then I'll show you exactly how to build this out. Just need to move a couple things on my screen here so I can do this. All right, so this is the dashboard you're going to build, but the prompt I want you to use is the following. So stand by and just let me, I just built this for myself so you can see the prompt here, but I'll get the prompt, I'll paste it, and we'll basically redo this so in real time so you can see it working. So what we're going to do is the prompts here, and this prompt will be below as well. If you don't see it down below, feel free to pause this video and copy paste it, or shoot me a DM on my Instagram and I'll be able to get that over to you a lot faster. Just say you want the Instagram analytics prompt or something along those lines, and I get it to you. So this prompt is very specific. What you're going to need to put in is your Instagram handle. So mine is at Alex_Volare. My city, Huntsville, Alabama. You're going to see this working in real time. It's actually very, very cool how this all works. And my brokerage, EXP Realty. And I do relocation. Actually, I do all those. So I'll just do this and this. I don't do first-time home buyers because, well, I've been in this business long enough and I'm done with them. All right, so that's my goal. It's going to use the VidIQ MCP server that you can see here. Like I said, you need to get VidIQ, then go get the MCP server. If you need help with that, hit me up. There's a link down below to book a call with me. I'll spend an hour on a call with you to make sure we can get your Claude dialed in and ready to go. Nevertheless, we'll hit go on this, and it'll generate exactly what I just created. It's going to do it again. It might say like, hey, you already have this built up, but I'm going to just go ahead and push through that. So it'll continue to build in real time, and you can see exactly what I'm talking about. In the next video that is going to be posted on Friday. This one will be posted today on Tuesday. So on Friday, I'm going to be bringing out another video to basically have Claude build you out listing presentations, and that prompt again will also be in the video. So here, it pulled all my live data analytics using the VidIQ integration. So 837 followers, post 429. Moved to Alabama. Yep, is one of my biggest, I guess, content generations. My week performers are the U-Haul data, weekend events. So obviously, I could avoid doing those and do more of these top reels, which are actually very easy. The authentic stuff is what's really generating a lot of conversations right now with people relocating to the area in my city. And I think ultimately the more raw you are in your content right now, obviously it needs to be nice and polished, but the more raw and authentic you are in your content is actually going to benefit people, I think, in the future. Because I don't know if you're seeing it, but I'm seeing a ton of ads for HeyGen and allowing them to basically make your AI generated clone, which is great, but don't get too lazy on this stuff. Because the problem with AI generated clones is when you generate these AI clones, what's happening is AI is doing the work for you. And if you don't keep up with what it's saying or keep up with the knowledge that it has, when you jump on a face-to-face call, which AI can definitely book all those for you, and that's all great. But when you jump on this face-to-face call, you're not going to be just like that person that they know, like, and trust, because you are not that AI avatar, right? So it's okay to use it. I think, 80-20 rule, obviously 80% being authentically you, in real time, real person, then 20% you could be your AI, but make sure you obviously tell Instagram it's AI. There's a lot of things you need to do on Instagram to make sure that you don't get more or less shadow banned on that type of content. So this is going to take some time. I'm going to cut it and then we'll fast forward the video to give you some quick actionable steps to make sure that this thing is actually working for you, and pulling the data it needs to pull. So right now what you can see is it's writing the full Wolfpack content operating system dashboard. Claude Code is, and it's basically going to replicate exactly what you already saw right here. So we'll go back to it. And if I move myself so I can open this up, it's going to make this. So you can also do a new post from here. Again, you have to integrate all of this with your Composio if you want to actually post. So that's the gatekeep most people don't tell you about. I won't gatekeep from you, but Composio, if you want a video on that, let me know. I can create a Composio video on how that actually works with Claude and Instagram, specifically the integrations. But that's it. So link down below if you want to book a call with me. 1 hour session will get you dialed in on your Claude, getting it to work for you as a real estate agent, getting it to set up your Instagram analytics, help you develop the proper strategies that you need to in order to use AI, help you get set up with VidIQ if you want that, which will also work for your YouTube, whether that be for agent attraction, whether that be for buyer and seller attraction, what have you. It'll help you boost that. It also does AI generated thumbnails, which I don't even take pictures for thumbnails anymore. So there's that option. There's AI is blowing up. Obviously, everyone knows this. And I think that, you can get more and more and more subscriptions to subscription yourself to death. So there's very few you actually need that will save you time, help you get things in the right order without taking a lot of money. And so if you want to know those, that's it. So here's actually the new dashboard. It just popped up and you can see that it's the same thing essentially, but my top reel basically has 16,000 views, and it was a very raw video about me just telling my story. And you can see stuff that I had scheduled, ready to go. And then if I click on these days, it'll, like, this green one right here is this green post that's scheduled. And then the cool part is it'll tell me the industry average of what engagement types are with my competition. So I am 6 times higher than industry average 3.3% engagement rate, which is actually pretty solid if you think about the amount of views that some of these reels are getting. But nevertheless, use that prompt. It'll be down below in a Google link. All you have to do is click it, or better yet, I'm going to make you work for it. Just go ahead and send me an Instagram DM at Alex_Volare on Instagram, and I will get that prompt to you. Just tell me you want the Wolfpack Content OS prompt, and I'll send it your way. Hey, thanks for watching this video. It was short, sweet, simple, but you know what? That's what we need nowadays in order to get and take action. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video where I show you how to build out a full listing presentation desktop that you can use on every single one of your listings.